Welcome back. Next to Apple Sound, here is Touch ID. If your Mac or Magic Keyboard has Touch ID, use Touch ID preferences to enable your Mac to be unlocked with your fingerprint and to add one or more fingerprints to your user account. You can also enable Touch ID to be used to make purchase with Apple Pay and from the iTunes Store, App Store, or Apple Books. You can add fingerprint from here. To add a fingerprint to the current user account, rename a fingerprint, click the text box or enter your log admin password. Place your fingerprint just like this. But keep in mind, you can set up to 3 fingerprints for each user. Use Touch ID for unlock your Mac. Unlock your Mac with any fingerprint added to the current user account. For security, you need to enter your password when you start your Mac. For example, when you are starting your Mac, maybe required your system password. Apple Pay, approve Apple Pay, purchase using Touch ID. If you want to use Apple Pay payment by using your Touch ID, just check this tick box. iTunes Store purchase, auto software, password autofill. Use Touch ID to automatically fill in username, passwords, and credit card information in Safari and other apps. Touch ID sensor for fast user switching. Switch between Mac user account using Touch ID. So this is all related to your Touch ID.